bought the single cab. Got the alright step side bed. Got a freaking hit in the front. But I mostly bought it for the bed. But it's a V8. It's a 5.3. Interior's all electric. But yeah, I started working on the other truck. Back working on the daily. And I'll see what I do to this one right now. So I started on the bodywork. I gotta finish this side. It probably has like a dent here and over here. Maybe it'll block out. Still gonna replace the hood and the front end. Gotta sand the roof, fix this fender. I just gotta fix this door. That's probably a dent right there. Dent right here. Other than that, it's not much. I gotta replace this one. They got hit again. Another drunk driver. But I got another one. I gotta repair the tailgate. Has a couple dents. And repair this side, but this one's real light. But today I just want to finish the cab and go from there. So I got it primered. Got the roof primered. And this side again. So gotta take it home now and just take it apart. Gotta repair this one. Replace this bedside. I still gotta repair this tailgate. But ahí va. Swap the tires. Get that IHC 5.7 drop. Took the wheels off. Got some new tires. 265/35. Let's see what it looks like the fender liners and the wheels, front and back. I need to get the one for this side. I still need to put the interior back together. I got a new radio for it. I need to take the top piece of the dash so I could repaint it. I need to put belt liner on the tailgate, put the SS wing. I think she'll be ready to go. I got the door panels right there. All the other little plastics. Gonna put the street performance shocks all around. Well, I might just keep the IHC ones that came with the drop kit. And I gotta wire up these mirrors too. And that's it. I'll keep you updated in the next one.